solutions of linear equation with 3 variables and 3 equations. Kaya nga lang, sasagutan sa pamamagitan ng determinant. Meron pong simpleng formula na ginagamit dito. Yung x is equals to dx over denominator d. Then yung y is equals to dy over denominator d. Isa-isahin ko pong kunin ng mga variable na to. And say is equals to d say over denominator d. So pare-parehas naman sila ng denominator. Pag kukunin po natin yung denominator, d is equivalent to 1. Una po yung coefficient of x term. Doon sa ikalawang column, coefficient of y term. Sa ikatlong column, coefficient of z term. Ito po siya. 1, 5, and 2. Susunod naman yung coefficient of y term. 2, 6, tsaka 4. Next is 3, negative 4, tsaka 1. Double check natin, baka namalikmata na naman tayo. 1, 5, and 2, 2, 6, 4, 3, negative 4, and 1. So, malinaw ito. Yan. Pagka kukunin po natin siya para makumpleto siya, dadagdagan natin ng dalawa pang column na kung saan kaparehin ng first 2 column. 1, 5, 2, 2, 6. Although sa differential equation mayroong shortcut dito. Pero mas maigi lalo na yung mga beginner, hindi masanay doon. Talagang dito sa ganito. Therefore, ito is equivalent to 1 times 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times negative 4 times 2 is 4 times 4 is negative 16. And 3 times 5 times 4, maigi siguro, para sigurado, calculator na lang. 3 times 5 is 15. So, sumalisaw 60, no? 5 times 4 is 20 times 3 is 60. So, plus 60. Minus 6 times 3 is 18 times 2 is 36. Tapos ito, ang line na to. 4 times 4 minus 16. And then ito is 5 times 2 is 10. Therefore, D, 66 minus 16, 50. So, dinouble check ko lang. Samahin ko, alam ko na yung sagot. Minus 46 minus 16. So, 30 siya, no? Minus 30. Lalabas po yung denominator na D is 20. Tutusin. Okay na yung tatlo eh. So, from 6 tapos na yung problema. Yung another 3 na lang, yung dx. Dx, actually, ang ihahalili natin sa x, coefficient of x term, yung constant, ito, 4, 5, and 3. Therefore, makipunta sa rito. 4, 5, and 3. Okay, i-represent natin. Tapos ito mariremain 2, 6, 4. Tsaka 3, negative 4. Negative 4. Tsaka 1. Therefore, gagayahin lang natin ito. And then 2, 6, tsaka 4. So, therefore, dx equals to, una, ito. 24. Pangalawa, ito. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. Kaya na negative eh. O, check ha. So, tama, 24. Ngayon na negative kasi may isang sign. Ikatlo, 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Times 3 is 60. Minus 3 times 3 is 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54 o at ang 54 minus 54. 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 times 4. 64. Kaya negative. Tapos ito plus. Minus 5 times 2 is 10. Kailang plus. Kasi puro positive eh. Sasayin natin. Ito, wala na to. Ito 60. 60. Minus. Ito is 54 plus 10 is 64 minus 64, 0. So, lalabas ang dx ay 60. Okay. Isa na, no? Punta naman tayo ng dy. Dalawa na lang, no? dy is equals to ay halili natin sa coefficient of y term yung constant na 4, 5, and 3. Maybe 1, 5, 2, then 4, 5, 3, then 3, negative 4, saka 1. Tapos gagayahin lang natin to, no? 1, 5, saka 2, then 4, 5, saka 3. Okay na, no? Therefore, dy equals to, unahin natin to. 1 times 5 times 1 is 5. 4 times negative 4 is 16 times 2 is negative 32. Double check. Kasi ano? 4 times 4, 16. Okay. Ito 5. Baka palito, no? 5 times 3 times 3. 5 times 3 times 3. 45. So, kaya lang, plus 45. Okay, double check, no? Okay. And then, minus to. 5 times 2 times 3. 3. Okay. 3 times 5, 15 times 2, 30. Ano? So, 5 times 2 is 10. Tapos ito is magiging negative eh. 4 times 3. Check na natin. 4 times 3, negative 12. Then last 20 kasi 5 times 4 eh. Okay. dy. Kaya na natin to. 450 minus 32 equals to positive 18 minus 50 kasi 30 plus 20, 50 minus 12, 38. Kailang positive siya, no? Kasi 30 lamang positive. Therefore, dy is equals to negative 20. Double check. 18 minus 38. Lamang negative. So, isa na lang. Isay. So, yung constant na to, ihalili natin sa coefficient of say term. Tapos mangyari po ay 1, 5, 2, 2, 6, 4, and 4, 5, 3, then ulitin natin itong dalawa. 2, 6, and 4. Therefore, ito, una, is equals to 1 times 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 5 times 2 is 10 times 2 is 20. Tapos ito, 4 times 4 times 5. 4 times 16. Double check lang natin kasi mamaya magkamali. Tama, 80. No? Alam, plus sign. Plus 80. Minus. Una ito. 6 times 4 times 2. 48. So, plus na naman to. 20. 20. Tapos ito. 30. Puro plus, no? Okay, check natin, ha? 118 minus 5 98. Therefore, mayroon po sa D, say is equals to 20 na naman siya. Positive 20. So, pwede na natin makuha yung X, Y, Z term kasi given na lahat eh. Nakuha na natin. Therefore, yung X dito lang. X is equals to dx over d. What is dx? dx is 60. D is always 20. 3. What is, okay na yung X. Okay naman na yung Y is dy over d. What is dy? Negative 20. And d is equivalent to d is always 20. Negative 1. And then X is 3, Y is negative 1, and say is equals to D say over D. D say is 20 over 20. Kasi D is 20, ito, D is 20 equals to 1. So, kung ating mapapansin, parehas na parehas yung answer. Doon, nung saan ginamit natin yung addition and subtraction method. Kaya naman, ginamit na determinant, yung X is 3, Y is negative 1, and Z is equals to 1. Maya-maya po, kasagutan naman natin using substitution. Thank you po.